So what an amazing day that we've had here with the MoEngage team and everybody from Rishka from SweepSouth to Dasha from Sanlam. This environment of sharing and learning and collaborating is just so true to not only what we want to do as an industry, but also what we want to do as a country.
It was a very insightful program, very engaging, and we got a lot of different insights as to what other industry leaders are doing with customer life cycles, and I think MoEngage is a good platform.
We had different people from retail, banking, insurance, and anything you can possibly think of.
It was very insightful, really great, and wonderful to spend the day with my peers in customer engagement. So thanks so much, guys.